I shared a quotation to one of international buyer or international lead 1 year ago, exact 1 year ago. And today morning, I again get a message from that client that okay, yeah, we would like to proceed. Can you please share the quotations again? But when I cracked the big order, at that time it was like a celebration in my family. I still remember when we received payment in our account.
क्या पेमेंट टर्म्स पे काम किया है पिंटू आपने?
Till now 100% advance only, sir.
ब्रिलियंट।
Okay.
मिनिमम से मैक्सिमम क्या मार्जिन पर आपने काम किया है?
Want to thank the being exporter community because there is a saying, the lone wolf die, however the pack survive. So it was doing this business alone.
Namaskar everybody, welcome each one of you to your one of very powerful podcast. We have a special guest with us today, पिंटू। मैं पिंटू के बारे में आपके साथ जर्नी शेयर करूंगा। उन्होंने कैसे एक ख्याल आया एक्सपोर्ट इंडस्ट्री के बारे में, अभी तक कितने शिपमेंट्स भेजे हैं, क्या पेमेंट टर्म्स पे भेजे हैं, आप ज़रूर से इंस्पायर होने वाले हैं। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं पॉडकास्ट। पिंटू, सबसे पहले नमस्ते एंड वेलकम। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर एक्सेप्टिंग द रिक्वेस्ट एंड बीइंग हियर।
Thank you so much for being my mentor, sir. Thanks a lot.
Great. So, Pintu, tell us about your journey and the entire things. But before that, Pintu, आप अपना introduction दें so that audience can connect.
Sure. So, hello everyone. My name is Pintu Kumar. I'm the proprietor at Seek and Sons Textile and Pintera Exports. So, basically, I'm an export from last 3 years, and for me, export is not just a business for me. It's my passion. So, I have a desire to see India as a golden bird again, and I'm dedicatedly working towards this, sir.
Super. Brilliant, Pintu. Thank you. Pintu, export में आने के पहले आप क्या करते थे?
Well, sir, before getting into the export, I was in the customer support industry, and I have 6 years of working experience in customer supports. So, my main role was to talk with international clients and understanding their pain points and giving them the services to sort out those issues.
Wow. तो पिंटू, ये करते करते एक्सपोर्ट का ख्याल कैसे आया?
Well, so in this area, I have realized that when I'm talking to the international clients, I feel energized. I'm a different kind of aura. So I thought that I'll make this part like chatting with international peoples. I will make this as a part of my business, and
Wow.
finally, I'm making it, sir.
Wow. Customer care executive turn exporter, Pintu.
There are multiple things behind this. Like I'm an engineer by background as well, so I'm a
Wow.
farmer by background as well. So multiple things I have done so far in this journey. Sir.
लवली लवली लवली। सो पिंटू, जैसे एक्सपोर्ट का ख्याल आया, हमारे बारे में कैसे पता चला?
Well, sir, since I'm a farm, my father is a farmer. So one day I was working in my farms and I have seen your Facebook ad. So at that point of time, before watching the ads, I was having the idea like I'm missing something. Like at that time, I was a small manufacturer as well of cotton products. So at that time, I realized that we are having less sales. We need to make more sales to get our organization excelled. So at that time I was looking something to excel, so I encountered your ad on Facebook, and this is what I was looking for. After seeing that 2-minute video, I'm clear what I need to do in my life, sir, and that is export with the help of yours.
Brilliant, 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 Pintu. Great. So, Pintu, let's move on for the journey. But before that, few conversation. Tell us, Pintu, अभी तक कितने shipments total गए हैं?
Well, so I have sent more than 20 samples, but 6 LCS plus 2 full container shipments.
Lovely, very good.
Plus,
क्या पेमेंट टर्म्स पे काम किया है पिंटू आपने?
till now 100% advance only, sir.
ब्रिलियंट।
Okay.
मिनिमम से मैक्सिमम क्या मार्जिन पर आपने काम किया है?
I have worked in 10% and 100% as well.
Awesome. पिंटू, टेल अस अबाउट फैमिली की क्या फीलिंग रही इसमें?
Well, sir, when I cracked those LCL shipments, I didn't inform my family because that amount was not big. But when I cracked the big order, at that time, it was like a celebration in my family. I still remember when we received payment in our account, me and my wife, we both were dancing together.
लवली 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 पिंटू, ग्रेट। सो पिंटू, टेल अस अबाउट द जर्नी, कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ और पहली डील क्रैक की तो क्या चैलेंजेस आए, कैसे ओवरकम किया?
Well, sir, this export industry is like a kind of adventurous journey for me. There were a lot of ups and downs in this industry, and there were some points when I decided to quit, but the one thing I learned from this business is if you have passion and consistency, you will surely get it one day. So after seeing a lot of downs, most of the times we get an inquiry of crores of rupees order value, and that again energize us to do or to give them a quotation, whether it will get converted into export or not. But it highly energized me. So it's a kind of a motivation or a kind of an adventurous journey for me.
सुपर ऑसम, गॉट इट। पिंटू, जब पहला कंसाइनमेंट एग्जीक्यूट किया था आपने, कोई चैलेंजेस आए या कोई आपको उसमें हर्डल्स आए और आपने कैसे ओवरकम किए?
Well, sir, there is a difference between learning from books or videos and learning from the implementation we do in daily life. So yes, there were few challenges like how to make the things. Like I still remember when I sent my big container, first container, I didn't like the stickers we need to stick on the boxes. So I was not aware about that. So it cost me around 2 to 3 days delay in my shipment at the port. So yes, there are few challenges, but with the help of our CHO freight forwarders, we can overcome those challenges easily.
वाओ, लवली। सो यू फॉलो द प्रोसेस एंड यू प्रोड्यूस रिजल्ट्स।
Yes, it is.
ब्रिलियंट, ब्रिलियंट। पिंटू, हमारा इसमें क्या सपोर्ट रहा आपकी इस जर्नी में?
Well, sir, especially talking about you, you are like a mentor. If you are not there in my life, I will surely not be here. So you are the one who motivated me to do this business. I also want to thank the Being Exporter community because there is a saying, and this saying is like this: the lone wolf die, however the pack survive. So if I was doing this business alone, it might be possibility then that I will quit it at any point of time or any point of demotivation. But I'm seeing my community to take actions every day. They are reaching thousands of international clients on daily basis. And after watching that, I ask myself what I'm doing. So, and that again motivate me to take actions.
लवली पिंटू, फैबुलस। पिंटू, ये जो पॉडकास्ट है यूट्यूब पर, फेसबुक पर, इंस्टाग्राम पर, किसी प्रोग्राम में, किसी विज्ञापन में, जब भी व्यापारीगण देखते हैं, तो ये जो ऑडियंसेस हैं, ये एक्सपोर्टर हैं और एस्पायरिंग एक्सपोर्टर्स हैं। आप उन्हें एक्सपोर्ट इंडस्ट्री के बारे में क्या मैसेज देंगे?
Well, for me, export is easy if you know that you can be consistent in your action and if you have patience. So let me tell you one good thing happened with me today itself. I shared a quotation to one of international buyer or international lead 1 year ago, exact 1 year ago. And today morning, I again get a message from that client that, okay, yeah, we would like to proceed. Can you please share the quotations again? So passion is the key, plus consistency is the key. Even if you are working for 5 minutes in a day, you can do it.
Lovely. Great, Pintu. Great. Thank you very much for being here and investing your time. My dear viewers, that was a journey of a Pintu, someone who was really having a wish to become an exporter, turn as an exporter, sending multiple shipments in various countries. एंड ऐसे ही पॉडकास्ट हम आपके पास लेकर आते हैं ताकि आप इंस्पायर हों, एनकरेज हों, आप एक्शंस लें और आप रिजल्ट्स प्रोड्यूस करें, आप एक्सपोर्टर बने। पिंटू, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया यहाँ पर आने के लिए, आपका समय इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए, लोगों को एनकरेज करने के लिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you so much for your time, sir.